Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down and find More Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and localize the option Credential Storage. Let's tap. So here we have to tap on Remove All User Certificates and confirm it by tapping on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, but that's normal, no worries. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.